can't deny when a girl walks in.
Everything in your face you get.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we thought we would do our first mukbang or mukbang or whatever you would like to call it, but basically we're just gonna eat dinner and you guys can watch. It's not weird at all.
Nah.
Not weird at all. So we have a nice 20-piece sushi platter, which honestly we wanted to get something with more, probably about double the amount, but we're kind of poor right now. And then we have this GIGAMAX yakisoba cho omori, which apparently it is 2,142 calories. It says please only eat one a day since it may
go over your calorie intake, like daily intake.
Daily intake for calories. Oh, we're eating it together, so you know. We only had ramen for lunch today. And then we do have this little dessert. It's not actual donuts, but it's like make your own fake donuts. I'm sure you guys have seen it and stuff where you make it, so hopefully we'll have time to make that after. And then we got this Mitz pink Mitsuya extra fresh pink grape fruit soda, 1.5 liters. We should probably get started. And I don't think you'll be able to hear it. We do have Scooby-Doo on in the background. Ooh, my back. Daphne. This is our pre-dinner sippy sip. Ooh.
Are you sitting on the pillow?
Excuse me. Do you guys like his shirt? Is it lotteria? Yeah, it's lotteria.
This is so when I first came to Japan, this is the very first sandwich I ever got.
It was in Harajuku in Takeshita Street. Here you go. Which one should we get first? Let's start with salmon.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. First epic bite into our din-dins. Okay. What should we talk about? What have we been doing? What should we talk about that? So it's been a month since Logan's come here, which is crazy.
Went by quick.
So quick. It's a week until he goes back. Let's not make this sad actually. I'm gonna dig into the noodles. Look at this. This is epic. Look at this. I can't even lift it up. So our kettle didn't even boil as much water as we need for this. It needs supposedly 1,300 milliliters.
First big bite.
It's too big. It's good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a little roll. A little tuna roll. I feel like this isn't gonna be enough for us at all.
Back to what we've been doing. So we started in Shin Urayasu. What did we do first? You finished up your job?
Yeah, so when Logan first came I was still working. What, 4 days left?
4 days, yeah.
Finished my job. And then we spent like a week in Urayasu. We went to Disney and stuff, which you guys probably would have seen already. Carson was here from Florida. And then...
Which one you want?
I'm getting this one. This is anago, I think.
Anago?
Anago. Oh, it's breaking apart.
Which is?
Eel.
Eel.
Eel or the smaller one.
L.
And then we went to Osaka. We went to Universal Studios for the first time together, which was awesome. And we got to ride the Final Fantasy ride.
Your dream come true.
This is big, by the way. And then we went to Kyoto. Are we boring?
No, we're just getting started. And we went to... What else did we do while we were in Osaka?
Went to the Osaka Castle. Went to Dotonbori, which is like the main shopping and kind of eating area. We can take it closer to you if you would like.
Alright. Yeah. Then we went to Kyoto. What?
That was like great skill. I took way more than you did.
You're used to that.
Who knows, my mum could be watching. Actually, she's probably asleep. It is 10:50 at night, by the way. Oh, I split my eyes.
And we went to... What was the name of the shrine?
Squid. First one we went to Fushimi Inari Taisha. The one with like a billion of those 3.
And then we got a little snack for your grandparents.
Yeah, we got some fox senbeis. We went to Kyoto Station. We got ourselves a little snack, which was really good.
Go up, how many do we were like the 11th floor?
11th floor. That was to eat lunch, yeah. And then Kiyomizu-dera was one of the ones I wanted to go the most, and like it was right near our Airbnb. We could walk there, and I was like, yeah, we should like stay in this place so we can go there. And then as we were walking up to it, which was like a really nice street as well, all the stores were closed, and we're like, I guess all the stores closed early. And then I was like, hey, do you think like temples and shrines and stuff like close early? They must not. They must be open like.
And I said, no, I don't think so. Why would they do that?
And we got there, and we got there at like 6:20, and it closed at 6. So that happened. And then we went back to Shinjuku. This is like quite a bit of rice. They're cheating us. Little fish, big rice.
And we went to see your grandparents. I had dinner with them.
And talk, be funny. That's just you laughing.
That's funny.
So
funny thing. We took, wait, let me.
That was rude.
Can I show the picture of your grandparents with me?
Yeah. No, it was before Disney. It'll be this one. Oh, what are you doing?
You did that.
I'm trying to help you out.
Oh, we went by the Nintendo headquarters too.
Yes, we did. We went to
in Kyoto.
Kyoto.
In their house, as soon as I walk in, I have to duck when I go through the front door.
My grandpa was saying it was like the doorways were like 180 centimeters, and Logan's like 190. So.
Yeah. So that's me standing next to her grandparents, and her grandpa's even like he was on his tippy toes a little bit. I cannot be in the picture with both of them. If you had it like that, you see that? Look at that. Anyway, that was fun.
I want the drinky. Baby, I want the drink. I wasn't just singing it for the sake of singing it. Oh. Busy. I'm just focusing on that. You're not even in my shot. You're staying more focused on your stream. Excuse me. Go for this toon guy. Negitoro, I think. Negitoro. Oh, I'm getting pins and needles.
You can get up and shut it out.
No, punch it out. Once again, you're not in my shot.
So I'm not funny enough for this video.
You think I am? Yeah, I'm pretty funny.
You seem to think so.
So I think we're like 20 minutes in.
Yeah, we're killing it. Dude, 3 people on here now.
Yeah! Comment with where you're from!
Don't do that.
Why? Don't you want to know? They could be from Bulgaria.
Alright, send in the chat where you're watching from.
You're saying it the official way. Stabbing me in the throat. What?
I forgot about that happening.
Dude, I think I've watched this one.
What the fuck, dude? Why is Tasmanian Devil in this one?
Yeah, that's why I'm... Yo, I can't... Okay. Shellfish? Shellfish? Sushi? Oh, it was Scooby.
Oh, Scooby was Tasmanian Devil. He's old. He's droopy dude. See, it's crunchy, right?
Not crunchy,
but you know what I'm saying.
I don't think I'm gonna have enough battery or memory to do that. People watching the stream are like, God, these motherfuckers are boring.
I mean, nobody said where they were from like you wanted them to.
Yeah, buttheads. Fell on my face. Here we shrimpy. I think it just likes your face. See? When you're not staring at it, it focuses. Little shrimpy, he's my friend.
I don't know who's watching, but... What video is your mom?
I would want mom to watch. Oh, she'd probably be like, what are you doing? This is why you're getting fat, Tina. Is that what you're trying to say, Mom?
She didn't even say that. You just made that whole scenario.
Am I just leaning on you too much? Is that why you keep going out of the shot?
No, it's my arm, like trying to reach stuff. I literally can't reach it. If I don't lean, I can't reach it.
Logan's part of the mukbang. could just eat left-handed. Probably fine at it. Let's go.
I'm ambidextrous.
You're ambidextrous. And no maltodextrous.
Will you say maltodextrose for me again? So cute.
Maltodextrose.
Yellow day number 2.
Maybe I should have been
Yellow dye number 2.
doing this all the time. I feel like I'm better with my left hand.
Seriously? Next is, oh, it's falling apart. Ikura, also known as cod roe. This used to be my favorite when I was a kid. Which, like, was kind of bad. Because when I was a kid, I used to eat ikura a lot when we went to kaiten sushi, right? Because it was my favorite. Now being an adult, going to kaiten sushi and paying it for myself, I noticed that ikura is like one of the more expensive ones.
Is it really?
Like the cheapest plate is like $1.50.
Yeah.
Ikura was like $4 or something.
Shit, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Now that I'm an adult, I'm like, so's mum and grandpa and grandma for paying for all my cod roe.
Hey, we mukbanged and things got weird.
My last little tuna roll. Tuna roll.
Sometimes you think you're going into a
roll.
mukbang just as a hit and quit.
What's a hit
But
and quit?
hit it and quit it. Well, this is done.
GIGAMAX finito.
GIGAMAX.
Finito.
GIGAMAX in the trash.
That is the trash. You got a lot to go. This is all yours. You know that?
All of it?
Well, I have one of these, but that's it.
It's fine. I've been entertaining. Shrimpy.
Can you say a shrimp is fishy? Because it's not a fish.
Alright, let's finish this off. I need a little more shoyu.
So you.
Just show you know.
That is such a Japanese, like, old man joke. It's so
Is it really?
Yeah.
She said I wasn't funny. Right?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. What happened?
My beautiful last bite was ruined. And the wasabi just went straight to like the back of my throat. Does everyone do that? Like look at your boogers when you blow your nose? Is that like?
I do.
Comment down below if you're a looker or a non-looker.
And if you taste them.
So we finished our sushi and noodle. So now we are going to make donuts. Oishii donutsを作っちゃおう. Ah, my knees. Alright. What is it? Oh, look at this. Just on the back they have a little like things you can cut out to place the donuts, but we're probably not going to do that just because we have no scissors in this Airbnb because it's stupid. First thing, we have a bag. Second thing, we have a spoon. We have a tray. We have crunch. We have topping. Chocolate sauce no moto. Cocoa生地の素。いちごソースの素。バニラソースの素。and カスタード生地の素。Okie doke. Step 1. Cut your tray with some scissors.
I just get to.
We have to cut this tray. Okay, so now we have big tray, medium tray, and a little tray.
Why don't you sing about it?
Because I don't sing about everything I do.
2. We've got to make the dough. In the star one, put 3 waters in, baby. 3 of this. And then you put the custard.
She got the bowl.
How is it so hot? Baby,
What?
can't you just like... like that.
That's what I was gonna do.
But you're like tipping it. Yeah.
I know, but
No.
how many? 3?
3.
What up?
Get it on camera.
Chill. How many?
3.
Where do I put them?
Big tray.
Big tray. In the same spot.
Yes. I should have just got you to put this fucking powder in. And now we put the custard powder in. Put the custard powder in. Now we get the spoon and mix it up. I might get you to do this while I was mixing. So it's supposed to become like dough. Cocoa生地も同じに作ってね. Oh, serious? Shit, I needed this. You're supposed to apparently break them up into the sizes that, see the size of those, just put it on this one. So you need 1, 2, and then you need the little ball. And then we'll do the same for the cocoa one.
What was this? Battery's low.
Shit. Just so we can end it whenever this cuts off.
Okay, so I break them up into these little balls.
Yeah.
Do we have 5 people watching there for a second?
Really?
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Wow! How much is the most you've had in the stream?
I think that might be it.
Number
This is
3.
chocolate donut.
Let's make a donut. 丸めておいた生地をトレーのドーナツ型に指でギュッと押し込みます。So this is our final product of the donuts. This is Ponde Kuma-chan as named by Sarah. This is Snowman. Oh, Snowman got a little something on his face and he's saying hi. This is the strawberry vanilla vanilla. And then this is my stripy stripe, half sprinkles. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please write in the comments if you look at your snot or not. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!